Welcome to Holistic Health Nut, where we strive to create a healthier DC. We have a great show for you today. Today, it's all about pets. We'll be talking with Nick Albano, owner of Veterinary Holistic Healthcare in Bethesda, Maryland. His dog Tyson and 2-year-old peekaboo Jack are going to be here with us. Nick is going to show us what he's doing differently in the world of animal care, and we will discuss how you can start a more natural lifestyle for your pets right at home. Stay tuned.
My name is Nick Albano. I'm a veterinarian and the owner of Veterinary Holistic Care here in Bethesda, just outside of DC. All holistic means is sort of keeping the whole body in perspective, literally the word whole. It just says that everything in the body is interrelated. That's really it. I would tell people also that are a little worried about holistic, that holistic does not mean not using medication. It means using medication judiciously and not overusing it, not over-vaccinating, not overuse of antibiotics. But it does not mean that if an animal is in a crisis, we just give them some herbs and chant and dance a little and walk away. It really just means judicious use of medications and trying to stimulate natural healing methods whenever possible, and laying a good foundation of diet and minimizing over-vaccination so that the animal's healthier to begin with. Acupuncture is a huge part of what we do here. It has wide-ranging implications, but even in human medicine, its benefits for musculoskeletal disease, for arthritis, is very well known. So that's another modality we use a lot in our senior patients that are having arthritic problems. And you did wonderfully, Tyson.
Hi, my name is Rob. I'm one of the nurses here at VHC. And usually either before or after we finish doing the acupuncture, we do a form of massage, which is an acupressure massage called Tuina. And Tuina is very nice. You can use it to facilitate relaxation, to help detoxify the body, to help the muscles work better, to help move the chi along the meridians, and it just overall helps with what the doctor is trying to achieve with the acupuncture.
A really, really great success story was an older Doberman pinscher that had some really bad hip arthritis. It was probably after 2 weeks or so of the acupuncture, and they said that for the first time in about 5 years, he jumped up on the bed and woke them up in the morning licking their face, and they were thrilled. And that just made my day.
Welcome back. I'm joined here with Nick Albano, owner of Veterinary Holistic Healthcare in Bethesda, Maryland, along with Tyson and Jack. Great to have all of you with us.
Nice to be here.
So Nick, why do you think pet owners should at least be trying the holistic lifestyle with their pets?
Being more natural and holistic with the care for your pets can really decrease chronic health problems, make them more vital and active, and improve their longevity, have them just live longer, healthier lives.
Great. So today you brought some cool things with you.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to try some out on Tyson, maybe Jack. What else did you bring here for us?
Well, some of the things I brought here in the bottles are just various forms of traditional flower remedies or Bach flower remedies. These flower remedies have been used for over 100 years for calming sleep problems, and various anxieties. There's more or less the flowers are just kind of held in purified water for a certain amount of time and removed, and there's just the slight essence that remains. There's a lot of theories as to why this works. People talk about the energetics of the flower, and some things get a little different than what people are used to as far as terminology goes. But one thing that we can say for sure is they're very pleasant smelling. Some of the flowers that are used are things that would be used in aromatherapy for people.
Okay.
So they can have a very calming influence. This one, called Rescue Remedy, is very common. Good for travel anxiety, storm phobias, trips to the vet, if that brings anxiety. And it comes in a form where it can be sprayed or a little dropper. This one you'll find at Whole Foods or any organic market. The other one that I brought here is really a similar one. It's called Calming Essence. We like this one a little bit better, just seems to have a little more effect. And what you can do with these, if you get them,
Jack might need some calming lessons over here.
is you could just put a little drop on the head, little drops on the tip of the ears and rub it in. And for whatever else you can argue it does and doesn't do, it does have a very pleasant smell. And like I said, it can
Yeah, you can
easily,
kind of smell it a little bit.
easily have that kind of nice calming, hopefully, aromatherapy. You can smell it. It's just a little flower scent. The other things that we can do for calming and anxiety issues involve touch therapy.
Okay.
There's a number of benefits of touch therapy. Obviously, there's massage for arthritis and muscle aches and pains. There's also touch therapy for anxiety. Lots of different massage techniques. One that we use a lot at our practice is called Tui Na, which is a type of Chinese massage. Two techniques that people can do at home that are really simple. One is called Ru Fa, and the other one is called Tui Fa. Basically, the Ru Fa is just very similar to that T-Chut. It's just making circles as you go down a muscle belly, like the long muscle bellies on the back.
Just like massaging a person.
Or over a joint. Just circles with your palm. Firm but steady pressure in a circle. The other one, called Tui Fa, is even simpler. It is literally just pressure on a certain area. And if your dog has achy hips, or if you feel both sides of any dog, you can sometimes feel that one muscle is stiff. And if you find kind of the base of that muscle and just put some steady pressure on it for a few minutes, once or twice a day, you can really relieve a lot of the aches and pains of arthritis. We know that this is going to relax the muscles, stimulate blood flow to the area, and help promote healing.
Wow, that's amazing, and a lot of great information that people can really put in their practice at home. I could literally watch this all day, but unfortunately we're out of time. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Tyson. Thanks for watching our special puppy episode of Holistic Health Nut. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter at DC Holistic Health Nut, and always have a healthy day. See you next time. Come here, Jack.